when you are aware of the deficiencies of human nature, then you will no longer be shocked by the results of human nature. Sure, we place expectations on certain people. You know, we place expectations on those closest to us that love us, that know us, that they would do everything within their power to not hurt us. However, because of the nature, you're bound to be hurt. Because of the nature, you're bound to be betrayed. Because of the nature, you're bound to be treated in a way that you don't like. It's the nature of the beast. So, in responding to being deeply betrayed or hurt in the social sphere, it's a matter of really getting back up and dusting yourself off.